Dinner is served, losers.
This is great.
Ramen and cut up hot dogs? No, thank you.
I'm not gonna taint my palate. Tomato season's coming.
Hang on, I'm not even done yet.
No Cool Ranch for... Oh well.
Bon appetit, losers. That's French for losers. I'm gonna go hang with my friends.
Wait, what about the mess you made?
This is a one-pan meal at most.
I had a few misfires.
Well, you have to clean it up.
Me? Why are you always on me? Evan and Emery just got a free, delicious meal. Make them clean it up. I'm supposed to go hang with my friends.
Sorry, Eddie, it's a school night. You will see your friends tomorrow. Besides, I need to drive Meatball home. She rolled her ankle.